Hello guys, welcome back to Harmonweb, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add add-on domain via your Cpanel account. And make sure you watch this video to the end because I'll be sharing to you a 40% off discount code on your next web hosting purchase on Harmonweb. Let's get started. So all you need to do is first of all log into your Harmonweb client area. I'm logged into mine. So scroll down and log into your Cpanel one click. With the one click login, I'm logged into mine. So to add an add-on domain, make sure that the current hosting plan that you have an add-on domain added to it, like part of the plans available. Okay, so what you want to do is scroll down and under domains, click on domains. Okay, then it will show a list of your domain names. Okay, what you need to do now here is to click on this create a new domain. Click on this button. Let's do that. Then on this page, you have to enter the particular domain that you want to add as an add-on domain. Let me say harmonwebmedia.com. You can click this in case if you want to share the root folder, the document root folder, which is the public HTML with this particular add-on domain. Like the add-on domain should share the same root folder. Okay, so I'll be on clicking that, so a new folder will be created for this. Then click on what? Submit. Once you click on submit, you are going to be taken back to the domain page. You get notified that okay, yes, you've created another domain. Let's wait while that happens. Okay. This is an unregistered domain name, so it might not go, but for the sake of this tutorial, that is basically how to add an add-on domain via your cPanel account. So now the discount code which you are seeing on your screen right now, this discount code give you access to 40% off your web hosting purchase on Harmonweb. Instead of you paying your full payment of 100%, you get to pay 60% by using this discount code. Thank you and see you in the next video. Goodbye.